Right now I would love to show you how you could easily infuse your oil with the nettles. This is the quick method. You know, it works best if you don't really have time or desire to wait days or weeks to produce an infused oil. I am going to use something that we could call that looks like a double boiler. We shall need a pan. We shall need a mason jar, preferably with the wide opening, water, and coconut oil. Well, I'm using coconut oil here because I would say that because it becomes solid at room temperatures, it does best with the infused oil this way. So to begin with, I always put a little cloth on the bottom of the pan. Even though we're going to use very low temperature here, we will not really boil it, but I always try to take another step of caution here. So I am going to use a mason jar. It is filled almost halfway through with the dried nettle. You can use 1/4 or half of the mason jar. So I'm going to put it here, and I am also going to add coconut oil. So coconut oil, it has to be melted, so you could easily work it through, and I'm going to fill it up, I would say, 1 inch to the top. I'm also going to give it a good stir to make sure that the oil got to the very, very bottom, and as you can see, it didn't. And we shall need more oil in here. And a little more. Yep, like that. So that's perfect. We'll give it another stir. So now we'll just need to fill up the pan with water. Not really too much, but just I would say a few inches. That will be perfectly fine here. Now we shall set this for a low burner and heat it for about a couple of hours. You always need to take a closer look, so just to make sure the water doesn't rapidly boil, because we don't want to cook our herbs, we want to infuse them. If you want to be really precise, you need to make sure that you have a temperature that goes around or under 115 Fahrenheit or 46 Celsius, so you don't really accidentally cook your herbs again. This is really important. So after 2 hours have passed, you will need to remove the jar and strain it and set aside to let it cool. So I'm going to get right back to you once I'm done infusing it for a couple of hours. So once the 2 hours have passed, we need to remove our mason jar from the stove and let it cool completely. Once it is cold, we are ready to strain the oil. You could use a fine mesh strainer, but I would recommend to use several layers of cheesecloth because it will provide us with the better results. You can see the oil has changed the color a little bit, and all you need to do is just nicely, carefully strain it. I would also use a spatula so we could release as much oil as we can. We'll need to discard the nettle leaves. We've used them already. I don't know if you can hear, but there is more oil dropping. Once you've made sure that the oil is in a pan, I think that's it. As you can see, you always need to make sure that everything you're working with is super clean and dry, like there is no water in the pan when you go in to strain the oil, and then you would need to transfer it to preferably the dark glass container or any other mason jar. It has to have a cup or a lid on. Pretty often I just transfer it to the pump bottle because I will use this really fast for the recipes for my hair, and I will definitely store it in a dark, cool place. We're doing this because the sunlight and heat, it will shorten the shelf life of this oil, but when it's properly stored, the infused oil should stay fresh around 9 months to a year, or it depends on the shelf life of the oil that you are using. I can also recommend to add a little bit of vitamin E oil. It will prolong the shelf life, but the proper storage conditions are very, very important here. So this is the oil, the end product here. It is amazing. You could obviously use the same method for infusing any possible herb that you prefer. And today we did it with the nettle. It's amazing. It's so great for many different recipes. I will share in the description bar down below the recipe or the videos that I have already made on my channel using the nettle coconut oil. This is it. Wonderful DIY perfect product.